Good morning, all. It's been a long time since we met, and hopefully it gets over very soon. Now, if you check your LMS system, I have already uploaded a few materials on the things that I've taught you, the metaphysical poetry, and on metaphysical poetry. And today, this morning, I have uploaded a material on a short story that is part of your syllabus, short story written by Salman Rushdie, The Free Radio. Now, in today's presentation, which I have sent in PDF format, I did not speak much on the story. I did talk about the background of the story, because it's a story which you can better understand if you know the background. Now, it was written in the backdrop of emergency. What was emergency? Now, I am sure that most of you are aware of the fact that only one time in Indian history emergency was imposed. And what was the reason behind that? When did it happen? Why it happened at all? What was the consequence? That I have discussed in details in the presentation that I have sent you. Now, when emergency was imposed, Indira Gandhi was the Prime Minister, as all of you know, and her youngest son, Sanjay Gandhi. That point of time, he was the president of Youth Congress, and it was a time when he rose to prominence, and he wielded lot of power at this point of time, especially at the northern part of India. Now, while being blessed with the power that comes from his mother, he came up with some ideas which are outrageous, to say the least. One of such idea was to introduce the vasectomy. What is vasectomy? Vasectomy is to take away the sexual prowess of a male. Not the sexual prowess actually. Take away the power of impregnate a woman. Now, why did this process of vasectomy was introduced? It was introduced to put a stop, to curtail the exponential growth of Indian population. Now, as a idea, it was not bad, but the rough measure that Sanjay Gandhi had introduced came against a lot of criticism, because it was kind of a forcible application of state apparatus to force a man to undergo the process, and in most cases it's the poor men who had to undergo this process of sterilization. Now, in this story which I will discuss in some other videos, Free Radio, it addresses this time and this issue and how it becomes a poignant tale that I will discuss. So for the day, you just read the PPT. If you have any doubt, please feel free to talk to me. Thank you, and please stay safe.